Are you over the age of 50 with $10,000 to invest, but worried about safety, returns, and liquidity? Then this is the video you're looking for, because we're diving into retirement saving strategies that actually work. And you're right. CDs are too slow to pay out, stocks feel risky, and your bank's savings account? It's probably paying 0.4% if you're lucky. That's not the play you're looking for. So, what is? Give me 4 minutes, and I'll show you what the smart investors are doing in this volatile marketplace, including one particularly outstanding bit of advice from one of the nation's best-known, most respected investment counselors. Advice you won't see every day, but brilliant. This could be the smartest 4 minutes you've spent in months. You're not alone. Millions of Americans over 50 are feeling stuck. Not broke, just frozen, unsure what to do with the cash they do have. The truth is, it's not too late, not even close, but only if you stop waiting and start moving. Start using smart retirement saving strategies designed for people over 50. But smart investors aren't frozen. They're just reallocating smarter, moving their funds to the highest returns they can find, and using investment options the average person never hears about. Options we're about to show you. Most people don't use these tools, not because they're risky, but because they know nothing about them. One guy I know cashed out a CD earning 0.9%. How he got hooked into that, I'll never know, and moved the funds into short-term T-bills. Same money, 5 times the return. Right now, U.S. Treasury bills backed by the government. You can buy them direct at treasurydirect.gov or through brokerages like Charles Schwab or Fidelity. Or consider high-yield cash management platforms like public.com and SoFi, currently paying well over 4.5%, with generous tax advantages. Again, check online for the latest rates. But take action. Because here's the thing. Every month your money sits in a low-yield account, you're losing ground. Inflation doesn't wait, and neither should you. So, here it is. That one piece of advice I promised you earlier. A genuine game changer that belongs at the top of your retirement savings strategies, especially if you're over 50. And it comes from Rick Edelman, renowned investment counselor and founder of the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals. He says, if you're 50 or older, the smartest money move you can make is to maximize your catch-up contributions. So what does that actually mean? It means once you hit 50, the IRS lets you invest more into your retirement accounts than younger people can. Thousands more. It's called a catch-up contribution, and it's one of the best programs available to late-stage savers. Why does it matter? Because that extra money gets to grow tax-deferred. You don't pay a dime in taxes while it's growing. Later, when you withdraw the money, if it's in a Roth account, your withdrawals are completely tax-free. Every dollar, yours to keep. If it's in a traditional account, you pay income tax when you take the money out, but not until then. And by that point, your account may have grown significantly. Bottom line? This isn't some complicated trick. It's a built-in advantage designed specifically for people over 50. Most people don't use it, but you can. Whatever you do, don't miss opportunities like these. Around 85% of your peers don't even know about it, don't act on it, and always regret it when it's too late. So now, it's your move. You can leave that $10,000, or however much it is, sitting idle, or you can put it to work. I'm betting you'll do what smart investors do. You'll move it, because now you've got options. And more than that, you've got a plan. Don't sit on it. Take action. And if this video helped you, there's more coming. Stuff most people will never hear about. Subscribe today and discover the smart money tips, tricks, and strategies that can radically change your financial future.